Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. Guys, we have already explored many AI tools that can help you to transcribe your audio into text or text into audio. But what if I tell you that now you can translate your audio using AI? Yes, for example, you have one English audio and you want to convert into Hindi audio or any other audio with the same voice, then you can do it. After watching this video, you will learn how to translate from audio to audio. Yes, one language to another, but instead of text translation, we will do audio translation. But remember here, whatever audio is in your file, everything will be translated. So be very careful when you are using this tool. And this is simple and free to use for now when I am recording this video. Before starting the video, many of you are interested to learn web development, but you have fear of coding. Don't worry guys, without writing any single line of code, you can build a website with the help of WordPress tool. And the best part, WordPress is 100% accessible with screen readers. And we are here to help you to learn WordPress, and the best part is, this time we offer additional HTML and basic of CSS absolutely free of cost. So if you're interested, check out our WordPress course page from the about page of our channel, or follow us on Telegram, on WhatsApp. The links are given in the video description below to get more updates on this. Thank you so much, Mr. Pratap Vasu, for continuation of your support, and congratulations, you have completed 1 year membership with V.I Tech Academy. So huge congratulations to you, and thank you again so much for your great contribution. If you are also interested to support us, become a member. Our membership starts at 29 rupees only. Click on the join button to learn more. Let's start the video. To translate any audio file, you must have that audio file. Now let's start. First, click the link below of this video. You can find the same on our official WhatsApp and Telegram channel, and it will take you to this page.
Free audio translator, translate audio and voice online Google Chrome.
So after coming to this, let me just reduce the it's okay. So after coming to this page, just press down arrow, or you can use heading.
Main landmark, free audio translator online, heading level.
Free AI audio translator online. Just press down arrow until you find.
Let your real voice speak like you in any frame. Clickable button, graphic button, out of frame, loved by 15, same page, link, translate or no installation. Try without no credit card, heading level, do AI audio and voice, upload file.
Upload file.
Click or drag files here to upload.
Yeah, click or drag files to upload. So let me choose a file from here. So I'm pressing enter on it.
Open file.
And choose your file. So guys, after uploading the audio, it will
20%.
Start translating. And you can listen this.
It got reached alert. It got reached %.
31%.
Clickable source language auto. Combo source language. mpeg/4 m2n 1.0. Graphic audio translator 1.0. Welcome and introduction.mp3.
Now see, your file is uploaded completely. As I'm using the Bengali version of NVDA, you might not understand the numbers. So I'm pressing down arrow.
mpeg/4 source language. Clickable combo box collapsed.
It is asking the source language. Though by default auto selected, which means the AI tool will automatically detect the language, but it's my suggestion to choose the correct language.
Source language.
So here I'm choosing English.
Auto tool, Latvish not select, auto Chinese, English, Espanol not English not selected.
Then I'm pressing tab.
Target language combo box collapsed, opens list.
Choose the language in which you want to be translated. I mean, your audio will be translated. So choose that language from this combo box Let me choose Hindi.
In Arabic, Cyrillic, Espanol, France, Portugal, Deutsch, not Hanguk, Italiano, not Polski, not Turks, not Netherlands, Czechia, not Magyar, not Hindi, not selected. Selected.
And press tab.
Translate button.
Click on translate button. Once you click on translate button, it will start translating the audio.
0.18%.
And you can check the percentage here.
Process 0.56%. Pro 0.74%. Pro 0.9%.
And just below that,
List with 2 items. Initializing task. Please wait.
it is saying that initializing task,
Analyzing audio content and identifying speakers.
analyzing audio content, identifying speakers,
Initial out of list 2.52%. Processing 2 list with 2 items. Initializing task. Analyze out of list heading level 2. How to translate audio list. Initial out of list 3.36.
So we need to wait for few minutes, then it will be translated. Good news! We have organized an audio editing workshop for you. In this workshop, you will learn the basics of audio editing using screen reader. If you are a podcaster or if you want to learn about the basic audio editing, then join us on 15th, 16th and 17th August from 8 p.m. onwards according to Indian Standard Time and learn how to edit audios using the power of Goldwave. Goldwave is 100% accessible with screen readers. For more details, check out our social media pages like Telegram channel, YouTube community or WhatsApp channel.
Processing takes some time. 13.91 process heading level 2 audio and voice trans processing takes some time. An exciting moment is coming. 40 list with 2 items. Initializing task. Analyzing or initial out of list.
So guys, still the audio is being processed.
Processing 15.65%.
After few seconds, you can see your audio with the download button. But due to some technical problems, right now I am unable to get that button. See, still my audio is generating.
Process 99.99%.
99.99%. But in the daytime when I tried this tool already worked. So you may face these type of issues due to high demand or high computing. As for now, this is a free tool. So please try it out and let me know your thoughts into the comment section. This is how you can easily translate your audio file into any other language. This AI tool currently supports English and Hindi if I'm talking about Indian languages, and you can upload up to 30 minutes audio file. It also supports video files, so if you wish, you can upload video files and translate the audio of that video into English or Hindi or any other available language. That's it for the day, guys. If you find this content useful, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for interesting tech tutorials with screen readers. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.